The difference between Stiles and our competition is we're not interested in just putting a machine in your shop. We want to grow with you. We want to sell you the right solution at the right time.
We see what our customers' challenges are. We know what the needs are. We know what needs to be filled. We know it's available and what needs to be developed. And we have the strongest team within the Home Mag Group to help us execute what our customers need.
We stock over 50 or $60 million worth of parts. And keep this in mind, we're not a machine manufacturer.
If you're down, we're going to do whatever we have to do to get you back up. And we want you to be as successful and as profitable as possible. It's exciting to watch a customer go from a garage to a 10,000 square foot facility and go from $500,000 in sales to $10 million in sales. That's the exciting part of my job, is to show them and grow with them and learn about their entrepreneurial spirit.
One of the things that drives me, I absolutely love seeing people succeed. I like people that come up with ideas and try to implement them on equipment that we have, and then when they come to us for the solution, I love to help them achieve that solution. I love seeing that stuff happen.
It's a true partnership. This is not a customer-vendor relationship that we have. It becomes a one-on-one, and that's probably one of the greatest things I love, is the relationships that we build with our customers.
I want to become their partner. I want to become their partner in growing their business and becoming profitable, and we grow together.
I could tell you about so many customers that I have met across the country that have got success stories because they chose to partner with us, and that's exciting to see.